really cool. Here on site, on a PPM site here in Scarborough, Ontario, Pristine Tree Services, and today we're gonna look at this crane. Isn't that cool? We're gonna see it operate, and they're gonna give us a run through of what this machine can do. It's a HIAB crane, it's hydraulic, and today we're gonna move a massive bag of stone out of this truck and onto a property. So stick around, this is gonna be interesting. All right, so I guess you guys are just prepping the surface, right? We're gonna put stone here.
Yeah, we're just moving the old stone and then putting some new stuff in.
I see, so the mission is to get all of that stone out and the weeds and everything, lay this material down here, and then you're gonna put the stones on top of it?
Yes, sir.
Very cool. So stick around, guys. We're gonna get to use this HIAB crane in a second here. This is a HIAB crane, a type of hydraulic loader crane mounted to this truck. It's designed for lifting and transporting heavy materials with precision and ease. It's compact, powerful, and versatile. HIAB cranes are commonly used in construction, landscaping, and delivery services. Operated with remote controls or manual levers, they can quickly load and unload cargo without needing extra equipment. When your job calls for strength and flexibility, PPM uses HIAB cranes, and they are perfect for almost any job. What an amazing piece of equipment. It's so versatile, you know, it just comes out when you need it. You can move all sorts of heavy loads in particular places. Very cool. So the team now is gonna take this crushed rock and spread it around this tree here. Do you know why we're changing the rock? Like, what's the reason?
We're not really changing the rock, we're just taking out that old tarp, that landscaping fabric, taking the weeds out and then replacing the top.
So that
kind of like filling up the top.
Right, so the whole point of the tarp is so there's no weeds.
Yeah, to help prevent it, yeah.
I see. So that's great. If you have a garden and you don't want weeds growing, you can have Pristine come in and they'll switch out the crushed rock and lay a tarp down. All right, Adam, so give us a bit of a rundown of what this machine, how it operates.
Well, so right now it's turned off because it's a little bit loud when it's running, but usually we'd have the PTO set. So that sets it to the crane so that we can operate it. First, we want to unlock that. That's our emergency stop button. We always push it in just in case. This is our power button. Before we start operating the crane in any way, we got to push out our legs here, which is this and similar on the other side. So we can get a balance, which shows in this little circle here.
Oh, that's
the
kind of
bubble
cool.
will show us if we're balanced, off balance, where we're leaning.
I see, so you want to get that nice and flat, put the hydraulics down so that the truck's stable, and then you would start up the crane and, oh, actually it would have been running by that point.
Yeah, so now what you want to do is you turn this off, so it separates from the legs, and then you go get your remote.
And you called it a PTO? Wow.
Then you get this, which controls the crane itself, but before you can do that, first you want to make sure it's around your neck.
Right.
But before you do that, you want to pop that out. So this is also emergency stop. And then press this button so that they connect. And this simply operates the crane. So you'll start using this guy. It gets you off the hook that it's on right now. Just with a little press of a up button. This boom will get you off of that ledge there. And this one extends the boom out and in. And every time you use it, if you got to take a step or you got to move, you just pop this button. So if you trip, fall, and you touch any buttons, the crane's not moving, gets your position, pop it back out, you can use it again.
Right, so if something happened, like maybe a person came in that wasn't watching or something,
Yeah.
you can just literally push that button and everything will be safe. What would happen if this thing was out of batteries? I mean, you can operate it by here as well. I see these levers right here.
You can, it's just not, it's not efficient. So the truck itself, so we got a battery that goes into here. And the seat itself comes with a charger pack, and this is the spare battery for it. So once this one dies, pop, pop, got the control back.
Right, so you always have a spare, which is critical.
You can operate it from here, but it's harder to see, right? Like I can't see if there's someone over there.
Right.
It's just much better to have the angle with the control. This is like emergency. If everything fails, you can get it back down.
Very cool. So what kind of things have you moved like while working for PPM?
Majority we've been doing trees. It's so much easier just to pick them up, plop them right in the hole.
Very cool. All right, so there's the finished product right there. We got a brand new tarp down, brand new stone, crushed stone. So no weeds are gonna grow here now. And that's that. Very cool. Let's thank Pristine for letting us come down and check out their operations. If you have any questions at all, you have a tree that needs to be moved, a tree that needs to be mulched, any property maintenance concerns at all, phone this number right here, okay? One of our agents will be happy to talk to you and answer any of your questions. You can get a price quote. Pristine Property Maintenance, PPM, has you covered.